today is December 13th, my saint day, and I'm always really excited about that. I don't know why. Anyway, so it's Santa Lucia today. So my name is Lucia, and I was named after my mother. So she called me really early in the morning. So this week is going to be your last week of school. You start your finals on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, and your last day of finals of school is Tuesday. Okay, so I think this week is your last week of class, and then you start finals on the 17th, and then you go to Monday, which is the 20th. Let me check that out. And then Tuesday is your last day of finals, 22nd. So we will be taking our finals this week, and it's already gone. Like the whole semester is gone, but most importantly, the whole year. So I feel, because I'm psychic, so I feel that this coming year on 2020, what is it? 2022 is going to be extraordinary for everybody. I think everybody's going to have a really, really good year. I think it's going to be very prosperous. I think that there's going to be a lot of things that had been stagnant that are going to come along and going to get resolved. Okay. I know some of my students have people that are ill, so we'll just pray and see how that goes. But I sort of have a feeling that at least for the remainder of this year, they're gonna sort of be healthier or possibly stable. I don't know why I got that. Okay, so this week we're going to do our finals. The links are not up, although the daily attendance link is up for this week. Okay, I'm still pending grades, so be mindful of that and just be patient. All right, I do have grades that are my later, so you guys have to, after I get done the grades, and then have to go back and do you guys. So that takes a little bit longer just because it's very cumbersome, and I have to like hunt you down and look for you guys in like my whole 300 students that I have, or I think I have less this term, but anyway. So we will be doing our finals this week, and I just chose that we're gonna do a chapter. So if anybody can do the time stops for my classes, that would be great. Thank you so much for you know who you are. I think it's Alondra. I think, okay, and if it's not, I'm so sorry because I don't have my notes. So anyway, let me see. Hold on, give me a minute. All right, so let's get started, okay? If you have any questions, if you have any discrepancies with your grade, make sure that you tell me this week so I can get it done, because I'm not going to be changing grades last minute. That's part of the reason that we do everything a little bit beforehand, so that way anything that is pending can be corrected and everything can be as it is. So it is your obligation to make sure that you check that out. If your account has been locked, let me know, and I can probably see it on my end, but you need to tell me. Anytime you want to text me, please text me. That's the most easiest and fastest way to get a hold of me. But you need to tell me what your class is and what's your section. So if you're in English 145, you need to say English 145, A500 every single time, because that way I don't have to go back and ask you, and then it delays it, because until you see the message, then that's when you respond. Very interesting, because you guys are on your phone all the time, and then I get you guys should be answering your phones when I text, like immediately, okay? Because you guys have your phone all the time. So, if you're watching Netflix or whatever it is that you guys are watching, you should have accessibility to that. So make sure that the faster you respond to me, the faster that your grade and the corrections are made, okay? If you don't respond to me right away, because I'm there, that's when I'm doing it. If you respond to me later on, then it's just going to probably take the following day, because that's when I'm going to log back on, all right? Okay, so for English 145, A501 and A500, you'll do chapter 5. So same deal as everything. You have to go through, your chapters and then do all the activities. And then I think there are activities and practices that you have to go through, just like you've done in the past chapters. For business communication, you're going to be doing chapter 4, okay? And that's page 121 through 122, questions 1 through 19, and it's objective 4.1 through 4.5. So chapter 4, pages 121 through 122 for business communication, questions 1 through 19, objectives 4.1 through 4.5. And then for English 133 A500, you're going to do chapter 5. That's all the vocabulary and all the vocabulary enrichment. Okay, you guys asked me, so you just go through your book. That's what, that's where it is. There's There's vocabulary comprehension. I didn't ask you to do that. So I usually ask you to do vocabulary. If you want to do it, that's great, because this is about really developing your vocabulary and expanding your vocabulary, which is really important, and understanding how words are, are written. Okay. So for English 133, you have chapter 5, vocabulary and vocabulary enrichment, and then you have vocabulary lesson on page 234 through 236. So for English 133, you have chapter 5. You're going to do all the vocabulary and all the vocabulary enrichment in the chapter. And then at the end, you have a vocabulary lesson. Usually it's part 1 and 2, I believe. And that's going to be on page 234 through 236. So that is going to be your final for all classes. I will be putting up the links possibly tomorrow. Okay, let's do, deadline for Wednesday, midnight. Okay, so that way you can get it in. When you miss your deadline, you're late. Okay, so I can either allow for you to accept it or not. So be mindful, because I might not be allowing late work because we're already at our finals this time. So make sure that you don't procrastinate. And Murphy's Law, every time, everything that goes wrong goes wrong. I don't know what the saying is. So if you wait till the end and you're trying to upload 2 minutes before, you probably won't be able to. Okay, so don't risk it, and don't risk that with your other teachers, because you're risking that. That just means that it's poor time management, period. Okay, and that you didn't meet your deadline. And real life is about, if you miss your deadline, you get fired, or you miss the boat, or you miss the plane, or you miss something that's very important. So you need to show up to life the way that you want to be perceived. If you want to be trusted, if you want to be relied on, if you want to, have people know that, that you are with it and that you're going to get the job done, just like me. You guys know that whenever you text me through Teams specifically, I will respond immediately. So you already know that, okay? Because that's the kind of reputation I have. I have students that have said, Miss, I've tried to contact you. I hate it when they say that, because that just means it's a bunch of BS. And that just means that, I don't know, okay? I either missed it, which means that you probably didn't communicate to me the way I told you, or something, or you didn't follow up. But I usually don't miss it. I am human. But when you say I've tried to contact you, it just really infuriates me, because I doubt it. All right, it could happen, but mostly I doubt it, because I respond really, really quick and fast. So the whole point to this is that show up how you want to be respected and how it is that you want to be perceived. So if you're going to be late, even if it's 2 minutes late, everywhere else people would not accept your late work. Okay, and anywhere else in the world. Okay, that goes for your boss, that goes for whatever it is. If you miss a deadline, you missed it, and you missed it. That means you're not reliable. That means that you can't keep up with your time management. If you feel that you're not going to be able to make it, I do have students that say, hey, Miss, I just got in, or, I'm inundated with work or whatever. Could you give me, some more time? And I'll do that. But if you miss it by like 2 minutes and you had problems loading up, okay, or uploading, that just means that you had issues with time management and that you waited till the last minute. And of course, if it's the last minute, you probably won't be able to get it up. Why? Because your internet goes down, or because there's 100 more kids trying to upload whatever it is that you're, trying to upload because it's last minute. So that means that that the bandwidth is going to be really bottleneck. Okay, so be mindful and make sure that you make appropriate arrangements for anything that can happen. Usually if I have a deadline, I like to have everything done a day or two before, so that way if there's any issues or any problems, I still have time to correct those issues. If I don't have an email, if I don't have internet, if I'm missing something, then I have leeway to be able to to correct whatever I need to get to correct. So anyway, long story short, so your deadline is Wednesday, midnight. This is your finals. We have finals this week. Okay, so you guys start finals on Friday and go all the way to Tuesday, but hopefully we'll be done. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I think that's it. Okay, namaste, love and light.